Unong yalam ka United Democratic Party UDP ba Paul Lyngdoh abakan tho ya ka jingkran no yalam ka RSS u Dr. Mohan Bhagawat Baro unong India udai u Hindu uloong baladai ban kli nau tau nongkran namar katkum ka khana jaidbynriew Khasi kadai ka baladan nadu kulong kuma uni no yalam habakali ya kani ka jingkran kan kata kelai ka BJP hakalishan MLA Atiar fulai ulakan taik ban kan tho ai bat ong bo umla ban sungothu ya ka jingmud u he no yalam ka RSS
Kekedan ke jongi ke jaidbynriew kamdei teba ngan batai manga ndrei kedai ke sisa jong history kalong ba ni long nin kong shwa benta jong ke British India adin bagi pareng kila job ya ke ma persya ya ki Burmese but lasai ni kat duty of yandabu kat praspa jaidbynriew de kat praspa sapu wei sapu ar di dalam ambaro andai boningi di dalam kestan ki generation mencuat kat praspa sapu wei sapu ar kat kendai spa sanpo ni long schedule trade kat kum ke presidential order 1950 ni long nong Meghalaya 1970 ke wan ke sub-state 1972 ke wan ke full-fledged state tiandre ya ke jinglong ke jongi syua jung kita bro pada ni lalong ke jaidbynriew tendrat indigenous tribe nyutrap nyawasa kaba nadu basdang kepertai di nangnu nakanu kelenti hakanu ko point ba tau Khasi blik long budai na o Hindu de se hapin kili itu bekeren ya di dari take yaki historical facts but kajing sisa ba ke ni ke way naki jaidbynriew la rimdo ancient races di bermenta ka Indian subcontinent but kajing rim jungi ha kini belum di Malaysia menta ka way kajing pun scam bangi dei ke jaidbynriew ke rim ha kedai kajing internet ke jong gani dari jungi kajing internet jong kamarian jong belum jong luar kapeni ba naprenki tribes kibayat lenti kiba migrate ban hangnung inchong tu baya syahmat dele kai ma fish parro ma de piknik lene nuru ku rat ya spot ku bahado wa inchong tu bopo ini kong jet chamu hasi to bus kum tahi jet the best seat ka bus de haniru ban chong ya ka jaka ka ba bit do udah shwa wala po shwa ka namar ba kajing internet jong kan negeri jong ni kedai ketu ba ide la poi kam ma shwa ni yekwi pat ban jet inchong masa yeah, that's a difficult question for me to answer because I do not understand their mindsets. I only know that he has made this remark 4 months before elections are scheduled in Meghalaya. What is the motive? What is the agenda? He knows better. But all I can say is, this time around, the people of Meghalaya are craving for, desirous of a huge, humongous change because they could see that the 5 years have been wasted and except for a few bright spots here and there, this state is not making the kind of progress it should be.
Halo ka jingtho janman kasi da All India Trinamool Congress ya ka sarkar jala bala lam khamat da National People Party NPP ba Paul lobu jingkli da ka baong hatu ba kawang mau ning kong udan hong.
Well, I can make a reference to a point in the Bible which says, who will cast the first stone? Anybody has got the right to say anything, but does he have the moral authority, the moral higher ground to cast that first stone? So that is a question which you may ask a particular gentleman to respond to. I'm not saying that the MDA is a band of angels. Certainly not. There are several areas of failures, several areas where they have not been able to live up to expectations. The level of corruption is high. But when it comes to who reacted, I come back to the question, do you have the moral upper ground to cast the first stone and say that, hey, you're a sinner?